Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I have an egg. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just a little bit, guys. I'm going to go ahead and scramble that. What, Dexter? And guys, these are going to be really quick and easy breakfast sandwiches. You could also make these ahead, wrap them in foil, and heat them in the oven the next day. Now I have a skillet here warming up. My bacon, I saved some of the grease. We're going to fry our eggs in that, make them even extra better. Just put a little bit of bacon grease in there. Get it working around. I have an egg ring here. I got this at Walmart, but you can buy these at any grocery store, and they're really nice for this. So I'm going to put that in there and spray the inside of that with a little bit of cooking spray to help with the quick release of the egg. Alright, get my egg down in here. I'm just going to let my egg fry in there for a little bit until it starts to set up, guys. Alright guys, my egg is all nice and fried up. Let's put a sandwich together. I have some English muffins here I toasted up in the oven. We're going to start by putting our English muffin down and a slice of cheese. We'll take our egg. And if you don't have an egg ring, guys, you can very easily make a scrambled egg and just fold it up on there. You don't have to have an egg ring to make these. Now I'm going to put some bacon on there. And I did my bacon up in the oven. I have 2 slices here. Get that down on there. And guys, you can fix this up any way you like. A little bit of lettuce. Some tomato. And then some mayonnaise. And this is a little trick on how I spread my mayonnaise. I use the back of a tablespoon, guys. It's a little easier than a butter knife. And Dexter's a little confused because he says it's evening and we're having breakfast. Dex, you don't understand the concept, but it's going to be alright. I'm going to put some nice and crispy tater tots on there. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. And that's a lot nicer than something you could get at McDonald's and a lot cheaper. Hear that crunch? It's really good, guys. Just the crunchy texture enough is nice. You get the cheese, you get the bacon, the egg, the lettuce and tomato. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.